Well, it's hard to believe it's the end of the semester already. And what have I gained from Chromebooks in the classroom? As you can see from my Google Drawing, so much information in the last 6 weeks or so. So when you think about everything that we worked on, all the ideas and the different programs and tools that I was introduced to, I'm super excited to start using them for next school year. So when we started talking about the flipped classroom, I was able to do a Google drawing that talked about the different benefits, um, and the problems and the planning that's involved and the ideas, and the different things that you needed to keep in mind when you're looking at flipping your classroom. Then we talked about all of these different web tools, and I got practice on Kahoots and Padlet, and Powtoon was something. We did some reviews. I created a website, which was really amazing for me because I never thought I could actually do that. So there's so many things that I could draw from. Obviously, we talked about Google Drawings, and I made some examples. And then I even created an ed puzzle, which haven't had much experience with, for my nutrition class. So I'm super excited to use all of the things that we talked about, and I learned. And I thank you very much for all the experience and the ideas, and I look forward to putting them to good use.